everyone, this is Debbie from Debbie Alley's Project 39 and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing something a little different, but you'll see a lot more of this from my channel. I have printed out a digital stamp, and this is from the Not Too Shabby company, and it is a coffee themed Valentine, and this is the finished product. I colored it with my alcohol ink markers. This is what it looks like when it's printed out. I printed it in with the gray background. I think you can print it with the black background, but I did the gray. This I was just practicing with the size, see where I was going. It does include some sentiments, and I'm just going to be using more and more digital stamps because since I live and travel in my RV and my studio is really small, I think digital stamps are a great way of adding to my collection, yet not taking up much space. So this video is the process video on how I colored this and put it onto a card. So let me show you exactly what I did. And there is my Valentine's Day card using the Not Too Shabby digital stamp. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll put the link in the description box if you think this is something that you might want to try. Lots of different ways of coloring it, and it's a lot of fun. So thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.